Hello children, welcome to Mallareddy Memorial School digital classes. In the previous video, we have discussed water resources. One is the tanks and ponds, and second one is wells and bore wells. We have seen that Mogilanna, a small farmer, and Narendra Reddy, a big farmer, has dug so many bore wells, but there was no sufficient water in that bore well. We have seen that declining groundwater levels. Why? Farmers all over the Plateau region have been digging more and more borewells in order to grow cash crops. These cash crops need much water. Cash crops like paddy, they need much water. Earlier, they used, they have grown other crops like millets, bajra, but nowadays they are using cash crops. As a result, more water is pumped out than recharged by rains. Consequently, every year the water level in the wells is going down and the bores are going dry after a very short use. This was the situation that we have seen in the Dokuru village. Let us see what are the agriculture and what are the crops in Dokuru village. Agriculture and crops in Dokuru village. The farmers of Dokuru grow cotton, groundnut, castor, paddy, bajra. We can also call it as sajjalu in Telugu, alasandalu. We can also call it as PGNP and kandulu. It is also called red gram. Earlier, people would grow mainly millet as food crops. Yeah, I have told you that food crop is different, cash crops are different. Millet is a food crop and paddy is a cash crop. Cotton is grown in Nallarekadi fields. This Nallarekadi fields is also called black soil. Groundnut and castor are grown in the fields of red soil. The area in which groundnut farm has decreased recently due to the threat of wild pigs. Farmers are growing castor in this place now instead of groundnut. Bajra is grown in the white soil. We can also call it as chowd soil. Red gram and alasandalu are grown as intermittent crop along with other crops. You can see two crops here. This is called intermittent crop. Paddy is grown with the water of pedda Cheruvu, that is the main tank in Dokuru village, and sampenga vagu. Paddy is grown with the water of pedda Cheruvu and sampenga vagu. Pits are dug in the vagu and water is drawn with motor pumps from the vagu. If the stream dry up, the paddy crop also gets destroyed. Paddy and groundnut are grown by using borewells from October to June. This season from October to June is called Rabi. The paddy yield from an acre of land is about 20 to 30 quintals. They get 20 to 30 quintals per an acre. Over the decades, the cost of agriculture has increased due to increasing prices of chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and the use of harvesters. And we can also the use of traditional manure has reduced. We can see this in that region. The use of traditional manure has reduced. This is all about the agriculture in the Dokuru village. Coming to the fruit orchards. Some farmers of Dokuru own mango and orange orchards. These crops require less water than paddy and can be grown on the land previously used for groundnut cultivation. They grow some groundnut as intermittent crop during Rabi season. They grow some groundnut in the Rabi season. And then how do they use water? Yeah, large farmers in this area use sprinklers for irrigation. They use sprinklers for irrigation. Children, this is what the agriculture and crops in Dokuru village. Thank you, children.